What up, guys? So we're kicking this vlog off with some Happy Meal because, you know, I want to send August out a lot better than she came in, because she came in and she messed everything up for me, and it was not a good month, to be completely honest. It was not. Like, I was sick, we had a death in the family, I had to work like 12 days straight. You know, it's just not been a good month. So we are sending her out of here on a positive note. We're putting out positive energy. I have Happy Meal, okay, I ordered from Charlotte Russe, and I also have a package coming from Forever 21, but they messed up the shipping notification, so it won't tell me where my package is, which I'm a little salty about, but you know, we're not going to get into that today. Alright, so let's open this bad boy. Alright, so the first thing I got was some face masks, and I got these because this was actually how I got on the website in the first place, and then it just kind of like spiraled from there, or ballooned from there, I don't know. But they had this leopard print like thing, and I guess it's supposed to be a face mask, which my brother has one. Can you see? But this is what you're supposed to be able to wear it as, and I like it because it's leopard print. I'm really into leopard print right now. I don't know, but anyways. Then I got these masks here because I have some that my sister made, but I keep losing them, and hers, I don't know, they fit kind of weird on me. So I got these, and they are adjustable. That's awesome. But so this one has a, like, I don't know if you can see, like, what is this print called? The bandana print, paisley maybe. So it's got a black one and a paisley print one. Then I got this one, which is like a light, it looks like light pink. I thought it was white. But anyway, so it's like polka dot, and then there's a white one in here. I'm kind of hesitant about white ones just because I've not yet found like the perfect formula for my makeup so that it doesn't come off inside the mask. So there's that. Then I got these. Can you see? So it's like floral, and then again another white one in there. And I don't know if you guys can see or not, because this was not like specified on the website, but they are adjustable, I'm assuming. So I got those. Next I got this gorgeous dress here. So I think it might be a mini dress, but that's okay because in the fall I prefer dresses because I can wear them with stockings and leggings. So I got this like gorgeous color dress here, and I think I got this in a small, so yeah. Then I got 3 pairs of jeans, and I'm pretty sure now that I'm looking at them, they are all the exact same jeans, but they're in 3 different colors. I have them in this like dark color here, and I think the rips are different on these. This light color here, and then this like mid-tone color here. So I need to try these on because I got all of them in a size 1. So if I hate one of them, I'm probably going to hate all of them just because they're all the same style. But the rips on them were different, so that's, I think, why I thought they were going to be different jeans. I don't know. Anyways, I need to try them on and see if they fit or not because, you know, Corona. Alright, and the last thing that I got was this bralette here. I don't know if this is gonna fit, okay, for real, like, I feel like I'm gonna be spilling out of it, but I really just wear them to, like, sleep in and stuff, so there's that, but I don't know. Anywho, the dress fits, the pants fit, the bralette fits, like, everything fits. Also, this one, it's pink, okay, I didn't know, but it's pink, and everything was 50% off. If it's still on sale, well, I'll link it all down below if I can, so that you guys can check it out if you're interested in any of it. But everything was 50% off, so that was, I thought, a good deal for everything that I got to get my life in order. So yeah, somebody's calling me. Y'all, I literally just spent the last hour looking for my dad's Apple Pencil. And it was on the floor blending in with like the wall the whole time. But nevertheless, so my dad, if you guys didn't know, he just got the iPad Pro 2. Y'all, okay, quick story time.
So my dad, like a couple weeks ago, had been asking me, you know, what kind of iPad I had, what kind of pencil it was, like all that stuff. Now, here's a kicker. He bought this stuff for me on my birthday last year. Granted, I found everything. Like, I literally sent him links to everything directly. He went in Walmart and showed the girl and was like, this is what I want to buy. So he didn't really know what he was buying. He just knew how much it was all going to end up costing him at the end. And I was like, all right, cool. So he's been asking me, like, well, what do you use your iPad for? And I was like, well, I'm running, businesses off of it, and I use it to create stuff. And he was like, okay, well, what kind of iPad do I need to get? And I was like, you can really get a regular one. Like, you don't need anything special. He was like, well, what's with the iPad Pro? And I'm like, Daddy, the iPad Pro is like a souped-up version of an iPad. It's almost like iPad meets a computer, a MacBook. It's like a MacBook, but iPad version. And he was like, oh, do I need that? No, you really don't. I can't think of a reason why you would need something that powerful. But, I don't want to sound like a hater, so I was like, it really depends on what you're going to try and do with it. So, my dad comes back, like, 2 days ago, and he was asking some more questions and stuff. And then I get to church, and my mom is like, hey, we got your dad an iPad, or we went to the store, and we need you to set everything up. So, I was like, all right, cool.
I look in the bag. It's an iPad 11-inch. 11-inch iPad Pro, the Apple Pencil 2, and the Magic Keyboard. Like, I don't even want to know how much money they spent. I really don't. But I do know because, obviously anybody who's Apple product familiar knows. So he was like, I was like, yeah, I need you to set it up for me. The girl in the store couldn't figure out how to connect the pencil to the iPad. Linda, how are you working with electronics? Like, that's a basic question, I feel like. How do you connect the pencil to the iPad Pro? Like, have you been on the Apple website? So anyways, we finally got him some apps up here so he can draw. But it took me like all morning because I was like, well, Dad, where's your pencil? He was like, oh, it should be connected. No, it's not connected. It was not connected. It was just this. And he was like, well, it should be, but it ain't. So, what happened to it? Well, I don't know. I'm so glad I bought him a case that the pencil, like, fits inside the case, too. And honestly, like, this is a good learning experience for me because there's a lot of stuff. Like, this pencil is a lot lighter than I thought it would be. If you've ever felt the difference between the two, like, the Apple Pencil one definitely has a little bit more weight to it. And I think I prefer it having a little bit more weight to it, but the two isn't bad. It's just not what I'm used to. So, I don't know. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm actually about to start working on my website for DigiDesigns because I have, like, a whole list of stuff.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. Stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just
commercial break. Okay, if you guys do not have this palette here, it's the Bare Necessities by ColourPop. Get it, okay? Get it. It's well worth the $30. Like, I didn't get it for a long time because I was like, oh, I already have a bunch of neutral palettes, I don't need it. But y'all, this palette is just, like, even on camera, it doesn't do it justice. In fact, even when I ordered it, it didn't really do, the pictures didn't do it justice until I opened it and I was just like, oh my god, this is what Love at First Sight looks like. Mine looks really crappy because someone used it.
You'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
What up, guys? So this day rather, has been pretty uninteresting. I did my makeup because I need to shoot another YouTube video, and I also need to shoot some content for my shop. Not my planner shop, but for my other store. And I want to work on my website. I know earlier I said I was going to work on the website. I didn't work on it at all. I did work on my sticker kit for the fall, which by the time you guys see this video, it'll be in the shop. I don't know if hopefully you can see it, but it's just a fall sticker kit. I'm pretty excited about it because I've been working, Lord, I'm about to drop my iPad. I've been working really hard on this sticker kit, which normally I don't put as much thought into it, but I think the more my skills develop, the more thought and effort I put into stuff. So this kit, hopefully it does well. I mean, I like it, so I'm definitely going to use it in a Plan With Me video. I've got to film one of those. Crap, I forgot about that. But yeah, so I'm just going to be a little bit busier tonight than I was this morning, which, I mean, this morning wasn't unproductive. Like, I kind of went through and sorted some clothes and got rid of stuff, but it definitely was not as productive as I thought it was, or as it could have been. Like, had I planned better, I probably could have gotten more done today, but I think I still have a good shot at getting a lot complete before I go to sleep tonight. So, plus I still got tomorrow, so I mean, you know, I've got 2 days. I can make this work. What up, guys? Okay, so it is Saturday night. That song by King Brown and Khalid just popped in my head. Anyways, Saturday night, I am watching YouTube videos, and I'm also working on my website, which I will show you guys.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I
Okay, so turns out when you stay up late, you actually get productive. So I think I came up here early and I was like, I'm going to do this, this, and this. I didn't get everything that I wanted to get done today, so I'm going to push it off till tomorrow. I've got another video to film for this week. I've got some content that I want to shoot for my online boutique that will end up happening tomorrow, and I've got a video for YouTube that I need to shoot tomorrow as well. I did get my About Me page on my website finished for the most part. Like, it's finished enough for me to feel comfortable with publishing that page. I'm not publishing any of it yet, but I feel good about that page. So I just have 1, 2, 3 more pages to go. And really one of them I probably could go ahead and finish up because it's just going in and linking back my tutorials that I filmed and posted already. So I really could go ahead and finish that page. And then one of them is going to be like uploading freebies. So I have to create the freebies and then put them on the website. But the way I'm going to do that is as I film tutorials for Tuesdays, or as I film digital planner tutorials, I'm going to create, okay, this is why I need to go to sleep. As I create things with you guys, like, or not y'all, but like the people who watch my other videos, those things that I create in those videos are going to be freebies available on my website. So it'll kind of push people back towards checking out my website. So if you watch the video and you don't want to try creating it yourself, you can just go download it from my website. And while you're here, if you want to, click the Etsy shop link and just go check out what I have available for purchase. It's kind of a 6 in one hand, half a dozen in the other. Hopefully to generate some more sales, but I don't know. This could all flop. Who knows? At this point, I don't. But I do know that I'm about to go to sleep because I'm exhausted, and this can wait till tomorrow. So,
No, say thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel.
Okay.
You got it right?
Thanks for watching and subscribe and the Gaga baby.
Okay, we'll go with it.